Clash Nation! For the past 2 weeks, nakilala na natin ang 2014 Clashers na maglalaban-laban this season. At na-reveal na rin ang first twist ng edisyong ito. After a year, last Sunday, nagsimula na muli ang bakbakan sa loob ng Clash Arena kung saan narinig na natin ang pangmalakasang tinig ng mga teen Clashers. Halika at sabay-sabay nating silipin ang mga naging eksena ng mga teens bago sila sumalang sa loob ng Clash Arena dito sa Behind the Clash. Bago ang intense clash, ano nga ba ang kaganapan sa loob ng bawat clash rooms?
So, bunso ako. Yeah. March pa yan. What if kunin natin, tas mag-vlog tayo? Ay, ganun. Hi, vlog. Uy, mabilis lang.
Hi, this is Violet Santa Cruz from Blazing Gen Z. Guys, say hi. I'm not sure if you can see them right, but okay. How are you feeling about the first round of the Clash teams?
Overall, I'm very excited because I'm gonna see how we're all gonna do. And this is gonna be a new experience for me and a new journey for all of us. So I'm gonna be very excited for us as a team.
Nakakakaba talaga kasi wala talaga tayo alam kung ano mangyayari. Pero excited ako dahil, ayun, syempre, sabi nga ni Katie, new experience and, ayun, feel ko naman, kaya natin to, laban lang.
Kinakabahan ako pero I just want to enjoy our moment on stage and especially I'm very excited din na nakita ko sila mag-perform. And yeah, I just want to say God bless to everyone and sana enjoy nyo lang.
Okay, how are you feeling for the first round of the Clash teams?
Thank you for the
Oh, you're welcome! Wow, siya lang thank you for the wonderful question.
halo-halo na emotions, hindi ko na alam kung ano mararamdaman ko dun sa dami. And excited ako sa twist na mangyayari kung ano man yung susunod natin gagawin ngayon sa first round ng The Clash team.
Whoa!
Hello,
Oh my
I'm
God!
Elvis Presley. Presley.
You're raising up the camera, dude.
Joke. I'm
Nick.
An Angelo. So, you can call me as Elvis. Elvis ng Pinas. Char.
Wow, oh my gosh.
Joke.
What are you expecting?
Nahihimatay ako sa kaba. Yeah.
Oh, Jay, paano himatay? Ay, ganon.
Hindi talaga natin ini-expect yung darating. So, let's just be ready.
Ang galing! Ang galing! I love it!
Na-excite ako, oo, pero kinakabahan din kasi ang galing nyo kasi na... Galing nila! Galing nila!
Girl, you're here! That
Galing
means
nyo?
ang galing mo din. Ang galing mo din.
Galing nyo lahat.
Hindi matahimik yung mga isip ng mga to. Kung ano
That
mga
means we're
gagawin.
noisy. That means we're noisy.
So, ayun, good luck na lang then. Good luck sa lahat ng team.
Once again, we are the Blazing Gen Z! Ping, 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 ping! Good luck to us.
Ako nga pala, si Beza, ang team leader ng The Next Gen Power. And pwede ba kayong umalis? Nakakasira sa inyo.
Pwede ka na lumabas.
You know, nakaka-excite siya actually eh. It's overwhelming. And I'm really happy to be with my friends here. Ang dami ko naging friends here. And super fun niya. And I hope na magawa namin to ng maayos. Ayun. And how are you guys feeling naman? Sasaluhin niyo yung camera. Parang gaganon kayo ha. Tapos gaganunin ko. Okay. Ready? Okay. Okay, you guys. How are you feeling naman?
Binato no?
How are you feeling naman?
So, Lobe, wag malapit niya masyado. I'm very happy na nandito na tayo ngayon. Magpo-perform. Finally, magpo-perform na tayo. Siyempre, hindi rin mawawala yung kaba sa loob, pero
Paano ka ba?
pero I think I can handle that now kasi yung mga people around me is so very genuine and very happy.
I think ako lang yan.
Ay! Yun lang. So, kayo guys. Ano
Kayo guys, so ikaw naman.
Overwhelming, I'm nervous, pero at the same time, it's a mixed emotions because I'm so positive because the people with me are positive, you know, friends, si Beza, Kuya Bien, Irish, and Martin, such amazing people.
Ikaw naman, Irish, what about you? Pinaka-baby ng group namin.
Okay.
So, ang nararamdaman ko po today is I'm so happy and nervous at the same time. I'm very excited na mag-perform na sa stage.
Yung galing sa Dubai Chewy Cookie! Sino? Okay, si Martin! Okay, go.
I feel so nervous and also excited because I'm so blessed to meet these amazing people, and you know, of course, I feel lots of love.
Okay. Pwede po ba namin, yung groupmates po namin naka-makeup? Okay po, noted po. Thank you po. Bawal po sila ma-videohan ngayon since we are in a rush. Anyway, kami ang The Next Gen Power. Tatlong bagsak para sa The Next Gen Power! The Next Gen Power! Let's go! Okay. Bye guys! Ingat kayo and wish us luck.
So there, pasensya na sa kalat, guys.
Hi guys.
Ganyan
Ano masasabi mo?
Okay.
Okay.
Kinakabahan ako.
Kinakabahan.
Kaya natin.
Kaya yan. Ikaw.
Kinakabahan din, pero excited.
How about you, Dirk?
Very scared.
You're very scared. Why though?
Because
I'm gonna...
I'm Michael Jackson.
Oh, he's Michael Jackson. How about you, Jeric?
A little bit nervous pero kakayanin.
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary, you know.
English.
Yes.
Oh, it's Justin Bieber.
What? Yeah.
Kaninong pagkain yun?
So ngayon, this is mine. So ngayon,
I-blind box mo muna, Tip.
ay unbox mo na kayo.
At habang nagkukulitan ng Soundwave Squad,
Hello guys! So, pwede po ba masama ka sa vlog namin?
Alright,
So this is po, Sir Jong. Very a big honor po na makita siya ngayon. Ayan. Humble effect.
Kasama po namin siya mamaya sa ulo.
so alam niyo ba?
Thank you po.
Anong team? Team Yellow.
Team Yellow po.
Soundwave Squad.
Good luck. Good luck, guys.
Yes, to. Pabas-bas po kami.
Hello guys, so we are here right now sa Yellow Team. So, kailangan pasok tayo lahat.
bye po!
Oh my goodness. Oh my gulay. How do we feel? Nakita sa Kuya Jong.
What are you saying?
Excited.
Said there's another look in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time. And I was like, oh baby, oh.
Nakita niyo naman sobrang ingay namin. Parang hindi kami kinakabahan. Once again, this is... Soundwave!
Tawagin na natin ang mga ibinotong tribute ng bawat grupo mula sa Blazing Gen Z, Violet Santa Cruz. Sa Next Gen Power, Beza Trestiza. Sa Soundwave Squad, Tanya Persil.
Kayong tatlo ang sasabak sa laban ngayong gabi. Pero, hindi kayo ang magkakalaban. Isa-isa kayong lalaban sa tatlong one-on-one clash na magaganap ngayong gabi. Welcome to Round 1, Team 1-on-1! Nagsimula na ang unang pasabog this season. Ano pa nga ba ang mga nangyari? Yan ang dapat abangan bukas. Siguruhin nakaabang na kayo tuwing 5:10 p.m. sa Kapuso stream at the Clash YouTube page. This is your Clash Master Julie Ann San Jose, and this is Behind the Clash.